Assuming that you're searching for Axie vastness cost expectations, estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Axie limitlessness will go from now on. We will dissect the previous costs of Axie endlessness and will truly figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, basically remember that you really want to in a real sense take this expectation in each and every forecast with the aim that this essentially is just the idea of some market master, experts. Also anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start, which is genuinely huge. Axie vastness past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Axie limitlessness is $7.94 in X basically is as of now in a real sense position number 53 in the whole crypto-biological system in an unpretentious manner. The dissemination supply of Axie limitlessness is 115,605,573 with a market cap of $917,904,548. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially has been diminished by 0.49% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the truly current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. For most recent 7 days, the Axie truly was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.35%. Axie vastness in a real sense has shown areas of strength for extremely of late. And this could be decent and open door to dive right in and really contribute. Inside the in every way that really matters. Most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie diminished by 36.123%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of $4.49 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be an excellent especially purchase and open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change in every way that really matters is near 1.48% and the cost most certainly circled from a very least typical cost of $7.94 to greatest exceptionally normal cost of $8.35 in the exact beyond 90 days. In absolute most recent 4 months, Axie endlessness in a real sense has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we believe that comparative pieces of the market were very famous at that period, as indicated by irrefutably the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Axie boundlessness generally is expanded from 4 months, or so they thought. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost amazingly. The coin is up by 17.35% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin essentially was around $7.15 and the base typical value of was around $6.80 in beyond 4 months. We anticipate future Axie endlessness cost expectations. The excess gauge by applying essentially profound kind of man-made brainpower helps specialized investigation on the in every practical sense. Past value information of Axie limitlessness, as opposed to mainstream thinking. We generally do our barely awesome to gather greatest authentic information for the Axie coin which incorporate most certainly numerous boundaries like past value, Axie vastness market cap, Axie limitlessness volume and scarcely any more. Assuming you are looking to basically put resources into computerized digital forms of money and explicitly need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectation. Axie vastness value forecast 2023 as per our kind of profound specialized examination on past value information of Axie. In 2023, the cost of Axie endlessness is anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least degree of $10.59, which is genuinely huge. The Axie cost can in a real sense arrive at a most extreme degree of $12.35 with the typical exchanging cost of $10.91. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2024 Axie boundlessness cost for the most part is figured to by and large arrive at a least conceivable degree of $15.41 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $18.24 with the typical conjecture cost of $15.85. In an unpretentious manner, Axie value estimate for 2025 the cost of Axie limitlessness basically is anticipated to sort of reach at an extremely least worth of $21.73 in 2025. The Axie vastness cost could arrive at an in every way that really matters. Greatest worth of $26.51 with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $22.36 all through 2025. In opposition to prevalent thinking, Axie vastness value forecast 2026 the cost of one Axie endlessness is supposed to reach at least degree of $30.44 in 2026. The Axie cost can fundamentally arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $37.92 with the typical cost of $31.56 all through 2026, which truly is very critical. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Axie Endlessness is anticipated to by and large reach at the very least worth of $45.17 in 2027. The Axie Boundlessness cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $52.42, with the typical exchanging cost of $46.75 all through 2027. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2028. Axie Vastness cost for the most part is figured to arrive at least certainly conceivable degree of $65.60 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Axe cost could truly arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $79.67, with the really normal gauge cost of $67.94. In an unpretentious manner, Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2029 is per our profound specialized examination on genuinely past value information of Axe. In 2029, the cost of Axie Boundlessness is determined to explicitly be at around a for the most part least worth of $96.96. Or so they thought. The Axie Vastness value worth can arrive at a limit of $115.03, with the typical exchanging worth of $99.67 in USD. Axie Vastness Value Figure 2030. The cost of Axie Limitlessness is anticipated to explicitly reach at a very least degree of $136.68 in 2030. The Axie Endlessness cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $166.98, with the really normal cost of $140.66 all through 2030. Or so they especially thought. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2031. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Axie Boundlessness is supposed to reach at a kind of least value worth of $207.51, in spite of prevalent thinking. The Axe cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $237.33, with the sort of typical worth of $214.55. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2032. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Axie Endlessness is anticipated to reach at an especially least degree of $312.36, which is very huge. The Axe cost can arrive at a truly greatest degree of $359.07, with the typical exchanging cost of $320.94. What generally is the eventual fate of Axie Vastness? The eventual fate of Axie Boundlessness is exceptionally subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Axe, you really want to ensure that you in a real sense are utilizing the right methodology. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a deviated risk profile, which is very huge. Nonetheless, it truly is as yet a brilliant speculation for the individuals who by and large have a high capacity to bear risk and a truly strong monetary position, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, Axe likewise really offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a consistently developing environment. What amount will Axie Boundlessness be worth in 5 years?